of beats. You see that? So far with the father. It's not normal. Normal beats. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Everything. Guys, morning, and welcome again. Guys, the storm almost reached Panwe, you know, guys. So you don't know, so we have to do some live updates. Yeah, man, and we are the team outside, you know. Yeah, man, see full team, guys. And peeps, watch out, peeps. They're weak, you know, guys. We pray that the wave them, guys. Some big wave outside, you know. Yeah, man, peeps, whole team there. I'm going to say live update. I'm going to walk with my river mouth same way. Yeah, man, I'm showing you guys what I go on. Man, that is it for the storm. Stay tuned. Guys, when I watch you guys, look on the wave here. Look on the wave there, guys. They might look small for the camera, but trust me, they're huge. Man, guys, huge wave them a piece. Yeah, man. The wave are not normal. The wave are about 7 or 8 feet. Man, guys, storm they're very close now. As you know, you can see peeps, very close. Man, we just have to go up and pray for the best same way. So far, the wave them are coming to land. Guys, okay. You should roll a check when you say the beeps. We have the huge. Man, peeps, so we are going down closer to the river mouth now. I tell you, peeps, the storm not fully reach it, and based on what we have seen so far, it's not a good look. Man, you see the river come so far already, just imagine when the storm reach. And we have to go and pray for ourselves, yeah? And we have to pray for ourselves, you know? Man, that's the God. I see them. Aye. The wave they don't look so big for the camera, but trust me, guys, the wave they're huge. Yeah, man, that's a huge wave. Man, but the whole team outside, and the boss and gears up, you know. Wave of beats. You see that? So far with the father's beats. We have the huge, guys. What's up this? I'm here to take for myself, you know, guys. We have the not normal beats. Yeah, man, when the hurricane reach fully, then we have to reach way upon land. Guys, that's a normal wave them a beats. Watch out. Go water run back like a river. One feet. This hurricane Mel is a serious, guys. Serious. Yeah, guys, and this is the west part of Portland. Yeah, man, this is West Portland beach. And here is upper east. Out by East Portland, me say up there more serious than down here right now. Yeah, man, so right now as we there speak, it's East Portland and a serious breeze and rain up that side, guys. Just imagine when you fully reach down here. And see, we have them really big. Last time we see such big wave out here, last year, you know, hurricane Beryl. And this is like a way worse. So guys, we have them up right up. Yeah, man, and the team out here see them with peeps. You I don't know, so we have to go now. Live updates. Man, the whole team outside, rod fishing Jamaica. Live with Kemar and fishing world 876. Yeah, man, I don't know a young champion TV. It's not normal. Normal people. The breeze are come heavy now. Heavy. Man, you know, can't see up the sea. Yeah, man, the breeze are forward. It's coming. Over there, and we have fun, and so we know that serious weather just still in the way. We take it serious weather and try to keep on the coast as possible. As soon as we say impossible to stay outside, we have a go in. But we not put ourselves in a danger. So, I report no one, because the breeze get real. I don't know what to say. Wicked. Serious thing I'm like. Guys, so we have to catch them up back. Why people couldn't walk back on the seaside? So we cut through one little pass through one bush. Yeah man, the breeze dangerous out on the sea right now. Right now we have to come off by the seaside and go up on the main. Out on the seaside dangerous right now. The breeze hard. You see the seaside, they're out in a distance. Yeah man, the breeze is extremely hard out there, peeps. Yeah man. And guys, remember you know guys to subscribe. And you don't know, so now I get a lot of updates. Yeah man, as long as we're not out of electricity for a while. Yeah man, I'm not going to get as many updates as possible, so just stay tuned. So you're looking at a scheme here in the peeps. Man, the breeze is still there. Man, but we are hungry up our head home right now. Yeah man, because you don't know what safety come first. Man, our head home here now. And as soon as we can, we can get some more updates, guys, when I get here, you know. Yeah, man, as soon as we can get some more. And so now just stay tuned, peeps. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, subscribe and share the video. Yeah, man, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. Same way. Man, the whole team out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Breeze, heavy peeps, heavy. Guys, the breeze is extremely heavy. A whole heap of breeze, people, whole heap of breeze. And West Portland here, a lot of breeze. to everyone for watching. And catch you now guys in our next update.